Okay.
Things being approach signal past Point Rock. Let me grab that light. I can finally got things moving through Brunswick here. Which do you want? We just start pulling, but we freeze to a stop over. Oh, come on, pull it now, go, man. Things being approach signal past Point Rock. I'll talk to you in a few minutes.
Hey, so our project is all screwed up right now. Oh, 7848. Ooh, a D9. Oh, D9 my ass. D8. Okay, it's local. Oh, I knew they didn't change D72 to B842. I guess. You guys look good, guys. You guys be safe going westbound. Oh, I gotta adjust my come up. I got 2 balls left. Alright, so right now it's kind of everything's screwed up right now. I got N742 at Brunswick, 415 at Brunswick, N789 coming down, 372 coming down. I don't know about 416. I got, I think 416-23 is at Brunswick, but I don't know. I got 416-24 coming. The question is when. 371. Question is when. After that, I don't know.
N78921, CSX 991, east on 1, advanced approach car yard.
Okay. Alright, see you guys on the next one.
N742-22 is limited clear East Brunswick. Eastbound 1 to 2, like 1 of 836.
Okay. He's on 2 right now.